blue sky, and a white world. Welcome to our world of winter wonderland. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today is a Saturday morning, the 28th day of November, and I'm pretty sure, right, that this is the most special day in my life. This is the day I was born. And of course, my daughter, surprisingly, this is my youngest daughter, guys, and surprisingly, we are born in the same day, November 28th, so it's our birthday together. Today, we're about to upload video, very touching videos from a different part of the world, Philippines. One of my friends, Brian, I'm like a father to him, and he did a very touching job on this very day. He brought a cake, bring it to my place in the Philippines. Mother is the only one living here, and together with other close relative that give her company, they blew a cake for me. But anyways, before anything else, welcome to our backyard. After a heavy snowfall yesterday, this is how it looked like. My apple tree is all covered with, I'm going to show you guys. That's my apple tree. After the heavy snowfall, everything is covered with like a snowflakes. It looks like an icing. Like we put in a cake, and it looks like an icing for everything right here. It's all covered. What is really very splendid here is when each of the branches are covered with ice, with snow, right here. And at the very end of that, it started to form an icicle, right here. Right? And if it's all stricken by the sun, it gives off a glitter. It's splendid and fabulous. It reminds me of a movie, that animated movie. Let It Go, Let It Go. I forget the title of that movie, by the way.
Frozen.
Frozen.
I think they had weeping willows in the first
one.
I think they had weeping willows in the first one.
Is that right?
Yeah. I think. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. I'm no professional. Well, it's my birthday today, as my dad told you. I was supposed to invite friends over to celebrate my birthday as always, but because we were gonna play a few games and stuff like that. But recently, Monopoly. About a week ago or something like that, COVID numbers have raised, and they decided to put a ban on letting people come to your house or gather or any social gathering outside of your bubble or outside of your housemates or whatever. Yeah, and so they won't even let one person come. So I'm not allowed to have my birthday this year, but the social gatherings are excluding school. So at Duchess, my school, at lunch on Friday, November 27th, my friends decided to take me outside, took me out to lunch for my birthday, and they gave me a few food gifts, like lollipops, and yeah.
Well, by the way, guys, this COVID thing really tears us so many kind of things that we wanted to do, but whatever it takes, we have our ways and means to make this day memorable for both me and my daughter. And what did Daddy give to you?
He gave me a new phone because I'm flexing the bling bling, but during quarantine, me and a friend decided to go biking, and I actually dropped my original phone, and that made it unable to. Yeah, it was. And so Hannah gave me her older phone, but later on in quarantine, she
an accident happened.
Yeah, and it looked like I shot my phone, but it wasn't.
It didn't.
It just got cracked to look like a bullet. Other than
I
that,
have no idea how.
The phone battery was kind of trash.
It was trash.
It was like 15 minutes it would die, and Dad just randomly pulled this out. I was like, whoa. He's like, cha-ching, and I was like, whoa.
Cha-ching.
He just like whipped it out. I was like, whoa, that's cool.
Yeah. I like your hair.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of her hair, Rachel and I sort of got together and we're like, okay, since she wants her hair dyed so bad, why not already get it? It's so boring. So that's what we did. But the weird thing is, at least to her, not to me, because I'm not colorblind. She says that her friends, to her, it seems like it's gray, but in the sunlight, but inside, at least inside certain lightings, it's actually supposed to be an ashy brown color, but it looks a little like yellow, but that's alright. She's got special shampoo for that, which she can't use yet. So yeah.
Yeah, and Rachel, for her little gift that was on her own act, she got me a few skins on this game I play, and I really like the skins.
Yeah. But for Dad's gift, it's gonna come a little later. And also,
we already
it's
have
never...
Dad's gifted.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's that one. And then there's one that's way too early, but I already showed him, which was this fancy-ass watch. And I don't know why, but yeah. It looked nice, so I bought it. And
It looked nice, that's all what I bought.
And then I also bought Dad this wig thingy that he asked for. But I haven't ordered it yet, so it's gonna come a little later.
It's not his weed. Like a cut. Wait, you really gonna do?
Oh, jeez. You know, I wanted silver hair, but not like this.
That's a birthday wish, guys.
Oh! It just got down my neck. Dude, it felt too much. It was too much. I didn't expect that one.
The dog is shivering.
Poor buddy. It's okay.
Oh, I don't like Oh, it feels like cold sweat, except it's actually cold.
Sweat is
Nakulog sa may friend, no?
It's just cold down on my neck here.
But you got a scarf. You got a
Oh
scarf.
my god.
But some people powders, of snow right here.
A few. I've got like a
Call it
whole
powder,
bottle.
powdery. Right?
It's melting.
But but as soon as it touches the skin, it melted.
Oh, baby.
By the way, guys, talking about the videos that I'm gonna do is a video taken from the Philippines by
With my
Brian. Thank you, son, for doing that. Yeah, thank you for buying the cake for me. Brought it home for my mother to share our special day. Thank you for blowing the candles as well. For everything you did. It's splendid. Thank you very much. I owe you a lot.
He's warm.
Hi guys, so sa wakas nandito na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa bahay nila Dad. So, hope nandito sila nanay. Hello. Tara. Sakto dito si nanay. Tatanim. Nay! Hi! Ay, si nanay. May dala ako na eh.
Ay ba? Ito na birthday? Ano na?
Oo.
Ay.
Ay.
Ano na ito mo na eh?
Baka akon sa nay. Ari kayo sa nay.
Galit-galit subong na.
Oo. So guys, andito na po tayo ngayon sa bahay nila nanay, nila dad. Dito na ako tayo at andito na rin yung cake natin na binili. Yan, tararan!
Happy birthday, Linda. Ano yan?
Okay, so magbo-blow na ako si nanay.
Pabudlay na kung old ka na, kaya hindi ka nakatanda ka. Pitsa ko. November 11 na si Nunong.
Si Shane mablow ha, si Shane ha. Okay, Shane. 1, 2, 3, blow!
Blow na. Dali. 1, 2, 3. Be, tayo pa.
Yun! Happy birthday! Okay, so...
Birthday ka niya.
Happy birthday day! Happy birthday,
Daddy. Tuduhin, hindi ka bati sa Daddy.
Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Be?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Na.
Okay. Okay. So guys, napaka-special talaga ng araw na to sa isang special na anak, sa isang malupit na nanay. Ayun. Kahit malayo man, wala man dito, sila na, si dad, yung anak niya, importante ho, i-celebrate pa rin natin yung birthday niya. Okay? So kahit sa ganitong salo-salo, okay ito. Okay. Diba Shane? Ano masabi mo din? Ano masabi mo, daddy? Ha? Love you, daddy. Love you. Love you, daddy. Love you, daddy. Go na. Go. Go. Love you. Love you.
Umiyak.
Nahihiya siya. Okay, so... Okay. Okay, slice mo na, Nay.
Ikaw lang.
Sige, sige.
Ay, kami kapang hinaw ka.
Asa, Nay? Kaon ka na, Nay?
Panis ko. Hindi ako yun. Hindi ko yun.
Hindi ka uyan si Sheng? Uyan mo ni Sheng? Makaon si Sheng? Makaon sa kano, Nay? Makaon sa kano? Ah? Nahiya, hindi ka uyan siya. Makaon sa, So, ako magkakape ako. Okay.
Namit cake ng daddy, ha?
Amit Sheng? Amit? Namit cake dali? Oh, grabe, wala na.
Ubus ba? Kuas bibig mo, ha? Bawa.
Hindi, ubos na. Ubos.
Gamay-gamay yan, ha?
Abaw.
Go, basta ka. Papa, sabi tayo, kung hindi magkain, bangalan, hungitin ka ng bangalan ka tsukulito. Malaman lang nga, paano? Yun niya gini. Suntok ka katinidor? Suntok. Na, ay hindi ko ha?
Ara?
Malapian na yung tinidor mo.
Abaw!
Daw, hindi ko. Hindi, ito po ka. Tiya, tulog ka to. Imo na, ay ganiti, sa oras tulog yan.
Nagampang?
Ang bugtaw, pag baloy ay ko da sa luyoy, ay yung gaano ko to sa
Love, gidjali lula. Ha? Oo.
Tiya, tulog sa alas 12 dyan. Tapos manyagas, tapos bumo, ay pagbugtaw.
Sana daw. Isa pa? Isa pa?
Hindi na to.
Hindi na.
Sobrahan ko lang.
Very good, Sheng.
Salud. Harap pa, busan na. Suntok.
Ano na, sanay?
Barbas.
Barbas pusa?
Barbas pusa.
Wala, barbas aso?
Ang iya, ang kuhan na to, daw kuring ha. Daw bungat siyang kuring.
Ay, oo.
Naamuni, dito man sa kilid. Lanam, ay hindi mamuhi kung gurang na, pero punta.
Barbas pusa. Ginaano na, sanay? Pakuluan?
Lagaon mo.
Lagaon?
Tubian mo, sa katiklar na, tubian mo mga 2 baso.
Oo.
O 3.
Oo.
Buksan mo 1 baso, 2 baso, inunan mo ba? Antes ka magkain.
Para sa, ano na yung sa para?
Sakit kawak mo na.
Oo.
sa kulot kintilaban ang
Oo.
si Arnil nga bayaw ni nonoy. Hindi ka tindag gahiti ako duduan ang kapulan. Iga siya tos gimras ang mga painom.
Nami sa mga tanong mo na yan.
Iyan eh, kay Nunoy. Siya basi magpa-skipping,
Landscape?
Pag yung likaw yan ito, hinamok mga amigo yan. Pinapangatal niya, kakanin. Bigo yan.
So, anong last message mo, nanay?
Ah.
Last message mo bago matapos ng vlog natin.
Nunoy, iti, anang maayo yun nga lawas, ang kabay nga maayo, taga-andas ang maayong lawas. Upod ang mga kabataan, gag-asawa mo, si Runit. Kag-ihaboy mo ng mga stress na sana. Pabayin.
Happy ang mga message mo lang
Ang pangayo ko lang sa Ginoo nga tagaan ikaw si mayong lawas. Kag masubaybayan mo ang kabataan mo sa ila pagtuon. Ang halong nga lang kamuda.
Kaya tinene na
Nini man, si Nini, si man nga sagad ka pagkaon, hay tinambok ka. Muna singgubi mo, budlay man hay. Kung tambal ka, no, mabutan mo, high blood. Ako salamat ko kayo. Pinamonitor ni Lloyd ang ako ng agapon. 120 over 70, 120 over.
Yan, din normal din yan.
Tatlo na ko bulan.
Sa pila na ganidad mo na
73.
73 oh, grabe.
Why na ko nag-maintenance?
Walang maintenance, grabe eh.
Ako na napasalamat ko sa Ginoo. Ang muna daway ra ko to problema man kay ti daw ari man sinonoy nagano. Ang didto ang problema ko sa ila. Si Nini ko ba kabudlay ng ay magamot nga tawgon do. Ano mo na? Mga buyan. Pangamuyo la ko nga tagaan sila sa maayong lawas.
Sige, okay. So, okay.
Oo. Maara si Brian, maistorya lang sa imo.
Sige. So guys, yun lang po yung vlog natin. Hope yun na-enjoy nyo po yung vlog natin ngayong araw na to. So with that, thank you so much po guys sa pagsubaybay.
Ihaboy ng mga problema.
Okay, so don't forget to subscribe guys and click that notification bell para updated tayo sa lahat ng mga vlog. So yun lang po guys. Stay tuned guys. Bye-bye. So may bibigay daw sa sinanay sa oras na pag nag-landscape ka na ng bahay mo. Ito, mga bulaklak. Yes. Dami, gaganda. So sa oras daw pag nag-landscape ka na, nagsimula ka na mag-landscape, so meron na ka nakahanda ng mga tanim para sa'yo. Okay. Oh, meron pa.
Ano yun?